welcome back to the channel. This morning we're going to be doing a sound test on this GoPro 11. By now you would have seen the stability test. So today we're doing a sound test. I'm trying to get the natural sounds. So all the voice in this video should be what was taken live today. I'm up here in the mountains to the end of this road. I got my backpack with all my kit, my machete, my binoculars, and I'm going to head into this terrain. It looks really good now, but just wait and see. You'll see where we go. The birds are chirping. I haven't heard any monkeys yet, but this is prime territory for monkeys, so maybe we'll see some. Ooh, really quailed off. Quailed off again. Oh, they're already quailed off. Hookbill kite. can see as far as the ocean, but we're up here in the mountains. So that sound over there, that constant sound, is the sound of the cicadas. There is a very quiet hum of a ruddy quail dove on the back. They vary over my head. Spectacled thrush also on the right. Welcome to the mountains. Mosquitoes. This is an old farm ghetto. You see that bucket they have there, which means it'll have lots of mosquitoes here, but it will be the only source of water. There's a cicada. Easy there. This is what is making the noise. They're not the best flyers. So kill it one. Let's give him a head start. It's gone. Beautiful. I'll have to find my way up the ridge. The cicadas are up. I'm surrounded by fun. Whew. Been going through this for the last 10 minutes. When I reach to the top there, then form a plan. I've been tied up in these bushes before. Woo. Woo. I'm in the fun. Trying to walk over this. Yeah, but the Mozzies are not giving me a break. Woo. Trying to get over this thing. Watch me. Yes. Finally at the top. And it just gets bigger. As I walk out. Rufus Prested Homit. Hola, ¿cómo estás? They are so beautiful. It's an armadillo trail. You can see where it was feeding in the back. I'm down on my knees, just past below this massive tree. We'll make it. Well, so far no success. I know a different route. I will have to take it. Definitely don't try this on your own. Look at the Mozzies. I found someone else's trail. can hear the river this way. And I am searching for a hidden waterfall. Maybe I should just follow the sound of the river. Looks like a tree. Maybe I should check it out. This looks better though. Okay, I found the walking trail. Just gonna follow it. These palms are laden. Flowing water. I'm so thirsty. Well, one thing you have to be able to find in the mountain is food. And there is lots of food here. Look at those cashew. I'm gonna capitalize on it. Wanted me some water, but this would be a lot better. Oh yes, look at this beauty. Two would do. Don't need a lot. This would give me the water that I need. Natural. Perfect breakfast. from with fresh water. There's a crow tide. I'm gonna try to get to that waterfall. Oh. Let's go explore. It's only a small one, but it's a waterfall. I will camp here. I will camp here. So, one of the things you can do for jungle survival, carbon filter. I would prefer the fresh water. Let me go where the water is flowing a bit. I prefer flowing water because much more oxygenated. There you see. This has a carbon filter. Hold on. Release the cap on the top. Works sort of slow if you want, or you can just force it in. There you have drinkable water. Let me show you. See? Drinkable water. And of course, I do not bring any water, so there you go. Not bad. My face wanted to drink more than me. That's some good water. This might not be the best idea, but I'm gonna check out the waterfall. It's not ready yet. There's lots of these nutmeg trees up here in the forest. And it falls. Leaves this pot. It's an old one. You can make a good jam with that, nutmeg jelly or a juice. But this is the nutmeg. This one is old. It's already growing. This would turn into a nutmeg tree. There's a fresher one right here. Yep. I'm sticking out the heliconias. My roof was bursted home at photo. Looking for a ripe nutmeg to show you. This one's up too high. Oh man. No, it's no good. It's up there, but it's too high. These are the big old nutmeg trees. Probably would have been here 100 years. Found one. So on the tree, there we have it. Look at these beauties. So this is what the nutmeg looks like. There you can see. There's a lady in a boat with a red petticoat. Nutmeg. So beautiful. And it would be the plant on our Grenada flag. Beautiful nutmeg tree. This is a relatively small tree, but look how much nutmeg you can see on it. Well, this one is very overgrown. This is a cinnamon tree, and they would cut this tree down and use the bark to make the cinnamon. Then another one grows again. This is somebody's agricultural land. So cinnamon, they would plant these and harvest them, but nothing here look like it's been harvested for a while. This here should be a clove, or is it a coffee? Let me have a closer look. Oh, this is a clove. Not bearing now, but when it is, there'll be hundreds of cloves coming up. Hidden amongst the grass. This one is ginger. You know ginger is a border, so the ginger itself would be below the ground. They'll have to dig it out. But this is what the ginger plant looks like. We're back out here again. A bit more windy this time. Much more windy. This will be more cinnamon. Already been harvested a few times. When you're in the rainforest, you must always expect rain. car. Ooh, hold on. Don't forget, like the video, leave a comment on what you think on the songs and the little adventure. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Now that we have this new GoPro, we're probably going to do a lot of good videos.